Alright, so today we're going to be painting the 2-speed mini green ATV. I finally cleared it out in here. I took the dune buggy and the mini bike as well as the mini motorcycle that I made a while ago. I kind of gave up on that project. I took that stuff and I put it outside, put some tarps over them, and they're going to be fine. I need to be able to have some more room in here to work on some more stuff because right now I'm working on the 2-speed off-road go-kart. And that's kind of taking up all the space over there, so I need to have this space to work on other stuff. So today in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be painting the mini green ATV. Now what we need to do first is we need to fix the front brake. Doesn't really work that well. We need to replace it with a hydraulic brake, and we also need to install the foot brake. Alright, so I originally had installed this mechanical caliper, and while it does work, it doesn't really work as well because the hand lever that I use to actuate it doesn't have enough force and enough travel to really get the mechanical caliper to work properly. It works, but it doesn't lock up the tires like I like my brakes to be able to do. So we're gonna take this off and replace it with this hydraulic caliper that Go Power Sports sent me, and then we're also going to install the foot brake that I have over here, which is actually a drum brake. Alright, so things have kind of been a little crazy around here. Now, normally I upload a video every Sunday, but this Sunday, last Sunday, I didn't upload a video just because A, I was really busy with work, B, my computer was down. My brand new Lenovo 1 terabyte internal memory, 16 gigabyte, you don't care about that. It just wasn't working. I don't know why. We had a power outage. I left it on to upload a video, and that video being the dirt bike video, and the power went out that night. The video got uploaded, but the computer just glitched out. The screens weren't working. They weren't turning on. They were just completely black. So I brought it back to where I bought it, and they told me it was going to take 7 to 10 business days to have it fixed. And so I really didn't know what to do because I didn't have a video prepared for, last Sunday, so therefore I didn't upload a video Sunday. And I was kind of thinking of maybe I should do a live stream, but last night after work I just fell right asleep and woke up to it snowing, and I'm like, I'm not going out in that. So anyway, enough rambling. So what we're doing right now is I just got a call like an hour ago that my computer's done, it's fixed, and now it's working. I plugged it in, it seemed to be working fine. So right now we're gonna rush and finish this video with reassembling the mini green ATV. Now I did finish painting this. I did paint the frame and paint all the other pieces. This is obviously green, those are black. I did 1 coat of primer, 2 coats are over there, 3 coats on here, and then 2 coats each of clear lacquer. So it's been about maybe 4 days of it drying. It hasn't fully cured yet, but it should be fine if I'm really careful with it. Don't ding anything up. It should not chip or anything. So yeah, we're gonna rush and reassemble this, and then I'm going to go upstairs, edit this video, and upload it as soon as possible, because normally I like to upload a video on Sundays, so therefore have 1 video a week, and it's now Tuesday, and I haven't uploaded a video, so probably by Wednesday I'll have a video up, I'm hoping. But yeah, let's, enough rambling, let's start reassembling this, and be really careful to not chip the brand new paint job. Alright, so it's finally all assembled. It took me quite a while to make this video. This video has probably been a month in the making. I haven't really been focused on, just this the whole time. I have been focused more on other projects and more doing this on the side. That's probably why it's, taken a month to do, but it does take quite a while to disassemble this whole thing, get it ready for painting the multiple layers, letting them dry 2 days in between, and then reassembling this. Now normally I like to upload a video every Sunday, but it kind of screwed me up this week, working a lot this week, and also my computer glitching out, breaking, and I had to take it to the computer shop. That definitely screwed up my normal time frame that I normally like to upload videos. But I think today's Wednesday, and I'm probably going, I'm going to edit this video tonight, so I'm probably by Thursday, probably by Thursday, I'm going to, upload this video, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the next video on the next Sunday. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do for that video, but I could finish the subwoofer video. That video wasn't really that popular, but I did make a part 2 to that video. I could finish that and just upload that next Sunday. Or I could do the dirt bike video. I did finally get all the parts I need, but I want to take my time with that, and I don't feel like being rushed. Anyway, I'll figure it out, and now remember, I'm going to be going down to the Pate Swap Meet in Dallas-Fort Worth in Texas. And Go Power Sports is sending me down there along with Cars and Cameras, Redbeard's Garage, and a couple of other YouTube channels that they are sponsoring. We're going to be down there in the Go Power Sports tent on April 28th at 2 p.m. I'm not really entirely sure on all the dates, but I'm going to be putting more information right here. But yeah, I'll be down there. Redbeard's Garage is going to be down there, Cars and Cameras, and all those channels that Go Power Sports is sponsoring. Now, if you're in that area, definitely go down there and check that out and look for us. And now I have to thank Go Power Sports for sending me all the parts I used for this project, all the tires, the seats, the gas, almost everything you see besides the frame I got from Go Power Sports. I'll be leaving links in the description below to all the parts I used for this project. Go check all that out. But yeah, it's late, I'm tired, I gotta go upstairs and edit this video so I can upload it tomorrow. So yeah, I gotta end the video here. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and have a nice day.